Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2011 Audi Q5. The engine coolant reservoir is in the driver's side of the engine bay. The level markers are easily visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are easy to find in the trunk and on the sides of the dashboard, respectively. Although you may need a tool to pry off some of the covers, they remove with little hassle, and one of the interior fuse boxes comes provided with a fuse puller. The spare tire and jack kit are both packaged beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick access and easy removal and setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlight housing will need to be removed to disengage a majority of the headlights. This will require multiple tools and panel removals to perform. And for access on the passenger side of the vehicle, both the air filter housing and intake vent will need to be removed first. All of the tail lights in the main housing are LED. This will require you to replace the entire housing should any of these lights burn out. You will need tools to pry both the front and rear wiper blades off of their respective wiper arms. For the front wiper blades in particular, you will need to complete unique steps in the electronic menu before you can raise the blades. Overall, due to the multiple convoluted setups, the 2011 Audi Q5 is a difficult vehicle to maintain, and prospective owners should be prepared for some complicated and time-consuming procedures.